Hi there! Today you're going to learn about how to add a Facebook feed into your Wix Studio website. So here I am in my Wix Studio website. So I'll just add another section right here. And then in order to add a Facebook feed, we'll go in apps here on the app market. And then we can just search for social media feed here on the search bar. So we'll have different options right here, but we will select the social media feed application, and then we will add this into our website. So it says add again since I already tried adding the Facebook feed in my Wix Studio website. But if you haven't added, it will just display an add to site button. So we'll just add it into our website, and then we will wait for it to load. And then you can drag around the application element into your website. And then in order to add the Facebook feed, we will click on settings. And then we will just go back here, and then it already uses a default feed of Instagram if you want to edit it, but we can just delete this one, and then we will click on Facebook. And then I have a Facebook page right here. It displays the YouTube Facebook page. I will just copy this link, and then we will go back to our Wix Studio website, and then we will just paste the Facebook URL of the YouTube Facebook page. And then we will wait for it to load. And then now we have the Facebook feed of the YouTube Facebook page in our website. So you can choose the maximum post to display. For example, I just want to use 2. It will just display 2 images or 2 posts. And you can only go up to 6 posts for display. So if you want to edit the look of the Facebook feed even more, you can just go to design and then go to layout and size. For example, you want to pick a collage, and then you can change the image cropping if you want. You can also choose a slider layout. So if you want the post to be a slider design, and then you can change the pixel size per post. You can change the spacing between posts. You can change the arrow color of the slider. And then we'll go back. You can also change the background color if you want. You can change some other options right here, like the feed title. You can change the font style of this one. You can also change the font size. And then there's a lot of options right here. If you want to enable captions as well, you have the captions at the bottom of each post. And then you have different options right here, like footer. You can change the color as well into pink, and then so on and so forth. So you can just play around with the different options right here to edit the look of your Facebook feed inside your Wix Studio website. So if you know how to use CSS and JS, you can do so as well. And then in regards to the content refreshing, you can choose different options, but if you have the paid version of this app. So since I'm just using the free version, we'll just stick with the free features. And that is it for this video. I hope you learned how to add a Facebook feed into your own Wix Studio website. And thank you for watching.